It's time to look at my manifesto. It's truly evil and also bad. Take a look in the book. It's a book with very dangerous ideas. Peeing in the pool, pet rock, wordplay in my manifesto. That sounds good. Thank you, box. This is my manifesto and my word. Take a look at my 30-page template. It's scrumptious. 4 pages. 2 pages double-sided into a 30-page glorious binding. Look at this. It's manifesting this manifesto. And here's how you cut it. Well, actually, first, you go and you grab an image that you would like to be in your manifesto. You copy it to your clipboard. And let's take a look. A little look-see. Oh, an empty panel for page 4. Thank you. I will paste it and drag it over. Then, when it least suspects it, I will change the rotation from 0 over to 270, making it to the right. I could also do 90 if I would like it to be on the left, but it would be right, just like me. Let me drag it out with my comically large cursor. Looking very good. I could print that. I'd buy that for $1. Wouldn't you? So, let's see. Here's how you print it. You print it out, duplex, double-sided. You're going to have page 2 on the top, page 10 on the other. It will print out like that. Okay. Put them together, throw them on the cutty thingy, which I will now tell you to buy the cutty thingy. This cutty thingy is the best. This cutty thingy is mid. This cutty thingy is comically large. This is not a cartoon. This is. So, let us watch. Cutting the sides off. Going to hold the plastic piece to keep it in place. Trimming the sides. Okay, the sides have been trimmed. They're trimmed. Now we cut down the middle. Cut. And then we have these 2 little pieces here. The top of the page and the bottom. We put them next to each other here. And we do a nice little cut. We have the 4 regions. We start with the 2. We move to the 4. We move to the 6. And we move to the 8. Only then will you have a real comic. Yeah? Right there. Look. Look at it. Look at that. 8. Thank you. 10, 12, 14, 16. 16 and 17 are in the middle. Then we fold it with our special folding tool. After we fold it with our special folding hands, crease, pamper it, put it down with the scraper thingy. There. Then in the middle of the 16 and the 17, we bring the stapler, we flip it over to where the cover is on the outside, and in the middle, we put one staple. Okay, one staple. One. And then we fold it again. Press it down. Give it the good press. The pressy press. Make sure it doesn't move. There. Now, you put it in the box. I will show you the box in a different video. Here is the box template. And to download the template, it's on this archive.org page. You get LibreOffice Draw, which I love. I love it. And then we go over to the Show All. Over to Show All on the archive.org page. And we're going to download this ODG file. Or if you're using Adobe, you can use PDF if you're some kind of PDF. Okay. I also have PNGs, but it's not going to be as accurate, but you can use PNGs. And there is also panel.png. And what that is, it's a single panel that you can send over to your friends, and they can draw and scribble and they can put the things. There. It's modern art. They send it to you. You get it on your clipboard. You copy it to your clipboard. You go over to your zine. You paste it in. You do the rotation thingy. So, let's rotate that to 90 degrees. And then you drag it to make it bigger. And boom. You've got a zine. Thank you very much. Okay. Then, you know, it's the comic. It's pretty fun. I liked making it. Okay. You can print this out, but afterwards, you'll want the all-way glass tile and scraper tool kit for scraping. You could also use, like, a bone folder, but that's lame. Lame! Use this scrape thing. And then scissors are lame. That one's cool. This is cooler. Get the guillotine for the paper. Get the stapler. Or, if you don't want to staple, if you want to be a cool weeaboo, you can do like the Japanese bookbinding thingy. Was it like, use the wax, and you do the binding. It's a whole thing. It's pretty cool. You know, I'm not hating over here. Then you get the brother printer. Special brother printer. Old as dirt. Yeah, this one I've had for like years, honestly. HLL 2350 DW. Totally recommend. Get it on eBay. There's probably a newer brother printer. You don't have to get this one. I've never had it break on me. Like, the toner is super cheap. Like, $26, you get like 6,000 pages. Like, that's insane. You know, and then paper,
just get cheapo paper, okay? You know, you don't need super weighted stuff. This isn't like paper craft. I mean, it kind of is, but kind of isn't. You can get like heavier paper if you want longer lasting stuff, but you know, for mass distribution, just get the cheap stuff, okay? For your manifesto in air quotes, you know. And these are all going to be 4 inches by 2.625 inches. There's 8 of them on a side, 32 pages to work with in total, 1 front cover, 1 back cover, and I think it's a pretty good format, you know. If you want to, you could also just print it at work. Go ahead. What are they gonna do? Fire you? I mean, they might. You're like just printing out zines and comics all day. They might. But you gotta take it in stride. You know, you're not gonna let them tell you who's boss. Go ahead and just print on the company dime. Do it. If you got some cool zines, if you wanna collab or something, maybe do like a panel per person. There's the Discord. You can also shoot me a submission on the Tumblr or just message me on the Tumblr. It still exists, okay? Appreciate y'all listening to my weird ramblings. I am not gonna do a whole tutorial on the stupid funny haha voice, which the funny part's debatable. But yeah, go out there and start making stuff.